Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display product price under description in single product page for both simple and variable product in WooCommerce WordPress using custom code. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our variable product and then you see price position. Go to simple product and then you see price position. So we are going to move it under description. Now go to dashboard, on left side you see plugin. So click on add new plugin, then in search plugin write WP code. So this is plugin WP code, insert header and footer we will use. So you will install this plugin and activate it, and after activation on left side you see code snippet and then you see add snippet, so click on it. Then you see add your custom code, so again click on it. Now create custom snippet section open, scroll down you can add title here, then you see code preview, on right side you see code type, drop down select PHP snippet. Now we are going to paste code and you will find this code in video description or in comment section. Scroll down you see insert method, auto insert, location, run everywhere. On top you see inactive, now active, and then click on save snippet. Now snippet created and saved. Go to variable product, refresh the page, go to simple product, refresh the page. Now back to variable product and then you see price position move under description. Now go to simple product page and then you see price position move under description in single product page for both variable and simple product. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.